The Starlink Gen 3 power adapter efficiently converts a wide range of input voltages to a stable 57-volt output, making it a versatile choice for powering your Starlink Gen 3 router. Its compact size and plug-and-play design ensure it is the perfect travel companion, providing reliable internet access wherever you go. Designed for consistent and powerful performance, this power adapter eliminates connectivity drops, ensuring uninterrupted Starlink service. Setting up the adapter is effortless, with a straightforward plug-in process saving you time and hassle. Built to withstand harsh environmental conditions, the adapter's rugged design includes protection against dust, wind, snow, ultraviolet rays, and corrosion. As a portable power solution, it offers optimal performance whether you are camping, traveling, or in need of backup power.